Hi Libra, welcome back to Omkara Tarot and to another Love Bite. Libra, these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you out there. Please keep that in mind, okay? Take what works for you and leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Libra and send them the messages they need to hear the most right now. Thank you. So Libra, let's begin your reading. Welcome back, all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. Thank you for all your lovely comments, your likes. I'm very, very grateful. And Libra, of course, if you're new here, we welcome you as well. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. So the Lovers, Queen of Cups, Judgment, the Tower, Ace of Pentacles, Five of Swords, King of Cups. I have a pair here on my 9-card spread here, Libra. King of Cups to the Queen of Cups. The Strength card and then the Two of Cups. Ooh, what's happening here, Libra? Okay, so Two of Wands here. Somebody is trying to make some decision, some choice, planning, plotting, I don't know what, maybe to go and offer something, a brand new beginning, a brand new start. They feel, they feel it's time to make a choice. They feel they're losing the love of their Queen of Cups. They want a rebirth, a reconnection. They want to rebuild after, I think, a Tower moment has happened. They want to offer a brand new beginning. They feel all these games that were played have kind of not served anyone well, because whoever was playing these games, they feel like I lost out in the end. They've also realized, my God, I have a lot of love. I have a lot of love for my person. They're trying to gather up their strength to do something because they realize this is a soulmate connection. Two of Cups here. So what's happening here? We will clarify it in detail. Libra, let's start with some dialogue message cards. If you guys could say something to each other, what that would be, and then of course we'll clarify these cards. So Libra and their person spirit, if they could say something to each other, what would that be? And Libra, if you're looking for a personal reading, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. Libra and their person spirit, if they could say something to each other. All right. I'm going to take a few from here as well, Libra. Libra and their person. Libra and their person. Libra and their person. I feel whatever choice was not made them lose the love of the person that they really love. Now they want a rebirth. Rebuild. 1 second. Okay. All right, Libra, ready to go. First card here says, it's really insulting when you try and control the situation and withhold information. You're underestimating my intuitive qualities, intuitive abilities, my connection with the divine, and must be forgetting how connected we are on soul level. You know that I'll always know what's going on because even your higher self tells on you. Second card. I showed you how much I loved you through our kisses. They say if you want to know if someone loves you, it's in their kiss. Darling, my love for you was in my kiss. I can't ever kiss another like that. The thought of you kissing someone else breaks my heart. So as much as I think this King of Cups had a lot of love in their heart, they may not have verbalized it. I wish we could just be direct and transparent with each other. See, all this hiding things, hiding emotions, just showing it through kisses, which is not a bad thing, but yes, you need to know also, right? I think this Queen of Cups finally got drained because there was only one person who was actually showing, and maybe there was a King of Cups who was only taking, enjoying the attention. You are the owner of my heart, my feelings, my soul, and my body. I belong to you. We are one. I love you. Okay, you said it here in my dialogue message cards, but I think you guys need to say it to each other. I haven't apologized because I don't feel deserving of your forgiveness. I haven't been able to forgive myself for how I treated you. Somebody was trying to play some power games here. Some, my way or the highway, I'm the boss, I know I'll win, whatever. I think this person is now feeling, what was the point? I lost the love of my life. I'm stuck in my pride and ego and feeling very foolish and frustrated. I know that my behavior has really disappointed you, but I'm even more annoyed with myself. You feed my heart and my soul with your love. You're my best friend and my passionate lover. I love you more than anything in this world. I've never felt such an intense connection. Of course, this is a soulmate connection, Two of Cups. And the last card here says, I know I hurt you. Please forgive me. Okay, so Libra, if these are resonating with your storyline, let's start your reading. And I'm going to first start with an angel blessing card. Let's see what my angels have for this reading. Blessing, guidance, advice, or a message for Libra. Steady progress. Yes, somebody is now planning this. Standing here strategizing as to how to re-begin, how to offer something and have steady progress to win this Queen of Cups heart once again. Okay, and let's begin. So the Lover's spirit, can you imagine the first card is the Lovers and the last card is the Two of Cups. So this is a very strong connection here, Libra. A past life connection, I would say. Lovers, what's this Lover spirit? What was this choice which had to be made? I think this Queen of Cups made it. I think waited around. Yes, this Queen of Cups is in reverse again. Queen of Cups clarified by the Queen of Cups. I think this Queen of Cups got very disappointed. They felt none of their wishes were coming true. Somebody was just unable to make a choice. They were always standing at crossroads, waiting, and no emotional offer was being made. So I think this Queen of Cups finally got drained out and stopped fighting for this connection. So what's this Judgment card then, Spirit? Okay, give me one more for this Queen of Cups first. Queen of Cups. One card for this Queen of Cups. This Queen of Cups was the one I told you carrying all the burden in this connection, carrying all the 10 wands. The other person was hiding their feelings, not making a decision. This Queen of Cups finally decided enough is enough. I'm not carrying all the responsibility. I'm not going to carry all the weight. If this is a twin flame or a Two of Cups kind of a connection, you take 5, I'll take 5, and then we can build with that. So if 10 wands are just with me, that weakens me. I'm feeling overwhelmed with this connection now. So what's this Judgment card, that Spirit? Judgment. Justice in reverse, Judgment. Lot of major arcanas happening here. Yes, now I think somebody wants a restart of this connection. Since this Queen of Cups has pulled their love away, now maybe the other person is realizing how much injustice has been done and why things are not coming back together. They're feeling very abandoned and left out in the cold. So what do they want, Spirit, with the Judgment card? What does this person want? They want to have a communication. They want to talk. They want to clear the air about why this beautiful committed relationship has fallen apart. Somebody wants to clear the air re-begin, restart something which has been disrupted. So the Tower in reverse. What's this Tower in reverse? Somebody wants to return and rebuild, I told you. This is like again a soulmate card, Six of Cups, right? Somebody wants to return and they want to start rebuilding and start making steady progress. Let's start from the first pentacle. Let's start again. Let's make a stable foundation this time. The last time the foundation was very weak, so it kind of got disrupted because out of the two people in the connection, one was not participating. You need two people to build, right? So somebody wants to return and start now, give an offer, let's start building again. Firm this time. Ace of Pentacles. Ace of Pentacles. Ace of Pentacles. Yeah, see, here comes the communication. The King of Swords. This person wants to have a clean, clear, honest communication. I want to return and talk to you about why this tower fell, how we can rebuild, how we can, have a stable, brand new beginning. One more, Spirit. Ace of Pentacles. Okay, let's give the mic to this King of Swords. King of Swords, you can talk right now if you want. I'll give you the mic. What do you want to say to your person? King of Swords has the mic. They want to open up. Whatever they've been hiding in their heart, they want to speak about that. They want to be honest. They want to reveal some secrets as to why this connection didn't go further to building to the Ten of Cups. And what was that? Can you give us a hint, King of Swords? I'm sure they'd like to do it in private, but I'm being a bit nosy here. They do want to be open and honest. They want to again reveal some secrets. I don't know what these secrets are. Maybe they were unable to, maybe they didn't want to be the first ones to apologize. It could be as simple as that. Could be as simple as that. Something happened here which they didn't want to, or they couldn't, or they didn't come back and offer this new beginning or offer an apology for the way they had behaved. But now they've come to that realization, if I don't talk, then it's never going to happen. They feel I'll have to bite the bullet here. I can't always be, my way or the highway. I'm the winner, I'm the boss, and you lose, I win. They don't want, they feel I'm going to lose anyway. I've lost anyway. So what do I have to lose now? So Five of Swords in reverse. Five of Swords in reverse. Yeah, they are manifesting big time. My God, this person they know who their wishes are, who their wishes, who's their shining star. They are, you've seen the cards. The Star and the Magician is like, somebody has been silently trying to manifest, but I don't think it's happened till now. They, I think, finally realizing that just wishing and manifesting is getting them nowhere. They're still losing. So they're realizing they have to come and speak their truth now. So King of Cups. Oh, King of Cups, you want to say something? King of Cups. King of Cups. King of Cups says, I have spent a lot of time by myself in this separation. I have spent a lot of time by myself. I have understood what has happened, what didn't happen. I am enlightened now. I have evolved now. I have ascended now. And from what I have understood and seen of my own behavior has really embarrassed me. Why did I do what I did? I'm so ashamed of my own actions, especially when I know that I have so much love for my person. Why did I treat them this way? So what's the Strength card, Spirit? What's the Strength card? Strength card. The only reason I think this person is not taking action or has not been taking action till now is because of their pride. I think they've let go of a lot of their toxic habits or toxicity. They're only worried, if I take action, what if it backfires? What if it backfires? They are a little afraid of that, so they've been holding back only because of the fear that either their person feels that they are very selfish, very self-centered, and they have already been released. So they feel, if I do manage to go and talk to them, what if it backfires on me? But they do feel a very strong connection. What's this Two of Cups, Spirit? Two of Cups. Oh, Judgment card again. They want a rebirth. They desperately want a rebirth of this soulmate connection. One more. One more. One more. Two of Cups. That is strange. Why would they do that, Spirit? Oh, this person wants to come and talk about everything that went wrong. This person has a lot of sadness, a lot of regret about some fight you guys had. There could have been an argument where some words have been exchanged. Maybe they were being emotionally manipulative or hiding their feelings in the past. They are realizing what has led to the stagnation of this beautiful connection, which was probably working very well at one point. This person wants to, but will they, Spirit? Is this wishing? Is this wishing? Because I do see them still standing at crossroads here. So what's this Two of Wands, Spirit? Two of Wands. What's this Two of Wands? Again, return. Three of Wands. They're contemplating on how to return because things are really, really imbalanced. They're getting very impatient now that they know. It's not that they are undecided here, Libra. The decision is made. The decision is made. It's not that they are undecided about who their person is. They've already chosen the path that they want to go to, except they feel, if I do return, there is so much of imbalance. What am I going to say? How am I going to say it? How will I be received? I think they're fearing that they've already been released by this Queen of Cups. So I think the advice here from my angels is that nothing ventured, nothing gained, right? So start making steady progress. Start small, and who knows, if this is as strong a connection as I see it, you'll get to know soon where it's going. All right, so that's all I have for you. Go and apologize. I mean, all these apology cards were here. Start with an apology. Simple as that. Till next time then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.